Okay, good morning teacher, my name is Jorge Saade and I'm going to talk about the first and the second topic. In the first topic, a man called John wants to study in a college to help to improve your community. To answer the first question, I have to say that I study law at Uni Norte in 4th semester, and I think that this is a very important and interesting career to solve all the problems that present in our community all the days. For a better explanation, first I have to explain what is law. The law is the body of rules imposed by a state upon its members which is designed to regulate human conduct within that state. The courts interpret these rules of conduct, decide where they have been broken, and pass sentence or make an award or compensation. A certain standard of behavior is thereby maintained amongst the members of the state in the interest of the common good. Law is a term which doesn't have an universally accepted definition, but I think that the better definition is that law is a system of rules and guidelines which are enforced through social institutions to govern behavior. In our country, that is Colombia, exists a many increase to corrupt all the days, and I think that with the law I can maintain social control, that all the days social control is wrong. I can protect public order, I can resolve disputes in the persons of my community, I can protect certainly of systems, I can facilitate orderly change, I can bring out justice in society. That is very important in all the communities. I think that law is the base of all the legal states that exist nowadays. Although I can outline which the government can do and what it cannot to do. I think that are different factors that are contribute to political corruption in Colombia. I know, and all the people know, that drug traffic and guerrilla and paramilitary conflict are the principal reasons to the problem of corruption in our country. Okay, to talk about the second topic, first of all I have to define what is a disability. A disability is a disadvantage or a deficiency, especially a physical or mental impairment that interferes with which or prevents normal achievement in a particular area of the body. I think that this is a terrible problem that a person have a disability, because always or sometimes these persons are object of a discrimination. Okay, nowadays exists different kinds of disability, but I only explain two. The first type of disability is a physical disability. There is any impairment which limits the physical function, for example in the limbs, fine bones, or gross motor ability, is a physical disability. Other physical disability includes impairments which limit other facets of daily living, such as severe sleep apnea. A man with and above that need amputation exercises while wearing a protective leg. Another type of a disability is a sensory disability. A sensory disability is an impairment of one of the senses. The term is used primarily to refer to vision and hearing impairment, but other senses can be impaired. Really, I don't know anybody with a disability. I think that the main common is that a person that don't have a leg, that don't have a finger, that don't have a hand, and I think that these persons all the days can, or they maybe can treat to superate this disability, because in the actually of the persons wants to discriminate all the persons that have a disability. I think that the first and the second topic have a big relation, because if I want to be a good lawyer, I can do all the rights for that all the peoples that can or that wants discriminate a person with a disability can't do it. In conclusion, I think that the law and disability have a relation, and I think that this is two problems that can be solutioned if I have the best lawyer.